Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a real and practical difference between using normal imports and React.lazy with Suspense in React. Many developers assume React automatically loads components only when they're needed, but that's not true if you're using regular imports. Let me prove it using the DevTools and a simple React app. I've set up a basic React app with 3 components: header, about, and dashboard. Here's how I'm importing them in app.js. I'm also using React Router to navigate between pages. Even though we're only seeing the homepage on first load, all 3 components are imported at the top level. Now let's open Chrome DevTools to see what's really happening behind the scenes. Open your app in the browser, then press F12 to open Developer Tools. Click on the Network tab and filter by JS to only show JavaScript files. Now refresh the page. Take a look. We've downloaded the full bundle, usually named main.js or bundle.js. Even though we haven't visited the About or Dashboard pages, all the code for those components is already included. To prove it, click on the bundle file, then press Ctrl F or Command F and search for a word that only exists in the About component. For example, the text About page. You'll find it right there inside the bundle. This is because normal imports pull everything into one big bundle at build time. There's no code splitting. Let's fix that using React.lazy. Instead of importing the About and Dashboard components at the top, we'll use lazy loading. Then, wherever we render these components, for example in the roots, we wrap them with Suspense. This tells React to only load the About component when it's actually needed. Now let's see how this changes the behavior in the browser. Open the DevTools again, go to the Network tab, filter by JavaScript, and refresh the page. This time, you'll see only the main JavaScript bundle is downloaded. There's no About or Dashboard code loaded yet. Now click the navigation link to go to the About page. You'll see a new file, like about.js, is downloaded only at that moment. This is true code splitting. React.lazy gives us a smaller initial bundle and loads components on demand, improving performance and speed. You should use React.lazy for components that users don't need right away, like a dashboard, settings page, or admin panel. But you should still use regular imports for things that are always visible, like headers, navbars, and footers. The goal is to keep your initial bundle as small and fast as possible. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison. Normal imports. Everything bundled together. Slower initial load. No code splitting. React, Lazy, and Suspense. Components loaded on demand. Faster initial load. Code splitting by root or feature. This is a simple change in your code, but it can make a big impact on your app's performance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand React.lazy, please give it a like and subscribe for more React tips. Let me know in the comments what other performance tricks you'd like to learn next. See you in the next one.